Hello guys, welcome to the Python series. In today's video, we're going to do an example problem on object-oriented programming. So the problem statement we are given is that in cricket team comprising of players for the playing 11 from different states of India, the team committee wants to know the average runs scored by each individual batsman scored in 3 matches from the team. So in this program, first initially we'll be restricting the number of players playing to 11 because the maximum number of players playing for a cricket match is 11 players, and then we're going to find out the average score scored by all of these players. So now let's do some examples on example problem which is related to OOP. So first, now in this problem we have to find out the average of the score which has been scored by all the players in a team. So first let's start off by creating the class. So the name of the class here. Then we're gonna define it. Then we're gonna start with self, name, age, then state, then score. This is going. So then we're gonna say self dot name equal and self dot age self dot state to state and self dot score equal to. Then we're gonna define another function get score. Gonna dot score. Now then we're gonna create a class. Then we're gonna define it. Gonna say self comma maximum layers. Then self dot self dot maximum layers maximum layers self dot layers. I'm gonna put in list and it's gonna append each time you add some layers into it. List. So then gonna define add player here. Then if then this self dot player self dot player player is less than self dot max players. Self dot players is less than self dot max. Then self dot players dot append. We're gonna append this. So here then for this we are going to return saying it's true. Else if it exceeds the number of players then we're gonna return saying false. Then we're gonna stop it right there. Then we're gonna find get average per self. We are gonna make the score 0 for player in self dot players score less or equal to player dot get score. So we're return gonna return the score by length of the self dot. So score, we're gonna return the score with the whole total score by the total length of the place. That will give us the average of average score. So this is done. The Yeah, now this is done. So now we are going to add in the players, the data of the player. First, we're going to create a player. So let us name it as player one, and the player, for example, let us say a first player's name is Stephen, and his 19, and state he's from Kerala, and for S code in player two, Dunk, let us just the players. Gonna add this. Yeah, these are some of the list of players we have created, and now we're gonna add these players into our team. Create the team. Let's say the name strikers 11, strikers 11, and maximum number of playing. Now we're gonna add in the players. So here you can see that we can add until 11 players. So it shows true. So if I try to add in one more player, so let's say player 12, it will show false. So when I add in 11 players, it will show true. So let's continue with this. And now let's print out the average score. So based on the scores we have given, we have modified the score to be the aggregate of all the number of scores. Then we are going to, then now we are going to print teams team dot get average score. So here you can see that average score is 662.54 from the playing 11. So until here is the playing 11. So average score is 662. Yeah, that seems, yeah.